Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the Wild West with a step-by-step guide on how to download and install Red Dead Redemption 2 on PC, whether you're a veteran outlaw or new to the frontier. This video will ensure you're ready to ride and rope in no time. So let's get started. First things first, you'll need to choose where to purchase and download the game. Red Dead Redemption 2 is available in several platforms, but today we'll focus on the major one, that is Steam. Open the Steam client on your PC if you don't have Steam installed yet. Head over to the stempower.com to download and install it. Once installed, log in into your Steam account. Create a new one if you don't already have one. In the search bar at the top right, type Red Redemption 2 and press enter. Now select Red Redemption 2 from the search results. You'll see various purchase options, including different editions of the game. Choose the one you prefer and click Add to Cart. Proceed to checkout, fill in your payment details, and complete the purchase. Once you purchase the game, it's time to download and install it. After purchasing, go to the library section in your Steam client. Find Red Dead Redemption 2 in your list of games, click on it, then click the Install button. You'll be prompted to choose the installation path and references. You might want to ensure you have enough disk space before the game is the quiet Lars. Once you've configured your preferences, click Next and the download will begin. And that's all there is to it. I hope this guide was helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, drop a comment below. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you enjoyed the video.